Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Writing Practices. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a UK student visa application letter step by step. If you are planning to study in the United Kingdom, this letter is an important supporting document that helps explain your academic plans, financial arrangements, and your genuine intention to comply with UK immigration rules. This letter helps the visa officer understand your purpose for travelling, your course details, and your future plans after completing your studies. So, here is how you write it. The first part of the letter is your personal contact information. For example, Daniel Christopher Evans, 145 Wellington Road, Toronto, Ontario M55 2T6, Canada. Phone +1 4165 557 821. Email daniel.evans@email.com. This identifies you as the visa applicant and provides official contact details. Make sure this information matches your passport and all supporting documents. Consistency is very important because even small differences can delay your application. Writing the date. After your contact details, write the date. In UK format, write the day first, then month, then year. For example, 11th of May 2026. This shows when the letter was written. It should always be recent and close to your visa submission date. An updated date shows that your information is current and valid. Addressing the visa authority. Next, write Entry Clearance Officer, UK Visas and Immigration. This is the official authority responsible for reviewing your student visa application. Writing this correctly keeps your letter formal and professional. Writing the subject line. Now write the subject line. Example: Subject: Application for UK student visa to study at the University of Manchester. This immediately tells the visa officer what the letter is about. It clearly identifies your purpose and the institution where you intend to study. Always use the full official name of your university. The salutation. Begin your letter with "Dear Sir" or "Madam." This is the standard formal greeting for UK visa correspondence. It is appropriate because you usually do not know the name of the officer reviewing your application. Opening paragraph. State the purpose clearly. Now begin by explaining why you are writing. Example: I am writing to support my application for a UK student visa to undertake my studies at the University of Manchester in the United Kingdom. This opening immediately explains the purpose of your letter. It sets a professional tone and introduces your application clearly. Introduce yourself. Next, provide your personal identification details. For example, my name is Daniel Christopher Evans, born on March 15, 2004, and I am a citizen of Canada, holding passport number CA 7845123. This confirms your identity. The visa officer must be able to match your letter with your passport and visa records. Accuracy here is essential. State your admission details. Now explain your university admission. Include the university name, course name, start date, end date, CAS reference number. For example, I have received an unconditional offer of admission from the University of Manchester to study Master of Science in Data Science, commencing on the 20th of September 2026 and ending on the 30th of September 2027. My confirmation of acceptance for studies reference number is CAS 987654321. This is one of the most important parts of your letter. Your CAS confirms that a licensed UK institution has officially accepted you. Always make sure these details match your CAS document exactly. Explain why you chose the United Kingdom. Now explain why you selected the UK for your studies. For example, I have chosen to study in the United Kingdom because of its internationally recognized academic excellence and the strong reputation of the University of Manchester in the field of data science. This shows that your decision is based on academic reasons. Visa officers want to see that your purpose is genuine education. Be specific and connect your reason to the course and university. Explain your academic and career goals. Next, explain how this course fits your future plans. For example, this program is directly aligned with my academic background and future career goals. Upon completion of my studies, I intend to return to Canada to apply the knowledge and skills gained in pursuing my professional career as a data analyst. This section is very important. It shows long-term academic purpose and helps demonstrate your intention to return to your home country after your studies. That is something visa officers carefully assess. Financial support. Now explain how your studies will be funded. Choose only one option based on your real financial arrangement. Option 1. Self-funded. If you are paying for your own studies, write, "I will personally cover all tuition fees and living expenses during my studies in the United Kingdom. Evidence of sufficient financial funds is included with my application. This confirms financial capability. You must provide bank statements as proof." Option 2. Sponsored by parent or family member. If your family is sponsoring you, write, "My studies and living expenses will be fully sponsored by my father, Michael Evans." Supporting financial documents and a sponsorship declaration letter are enclosed. This explains who is funding your education. You must include proof of relationship and financial evidence. Option 3. Scholarship sponsored. If your studies are funded by scholarship, write, "My studies are fully funded by the Chevening Scholarship, covering both tuition fees and maintenance costs." This confirms official financial sponsorship. Be sure to include your scholarship award letter. Confirm compliance with visa rules. Next, confirm that you understand UK student visa conditions. Example, "I fully understand the conditions of the UK student visa route and confirm my intention to comply with all immigration requirements throughout my stay in the United Kingdom." This reassures the visa officer that you understand your responsibilities. It shows seriousness and awareness. Confirm your sole purpose is study. Now clearly state your purpose for traveling. For example, "My sole purpose for traveling to the United Kingdom is to pursue my studies. Upon successful completion of my course, I will return to Canada to continue my professional and academic development." This is a very important statement. It reinforces that your visit is temporary and education-focused. This helps strengthen your application. List supporting documents. Now list all supporting documents included with your application. For example, "I have enclosed all supporting documents required for my application, including passport copy, confirmation of acceptance for studies, academic transcripts and certificates, English language proficiency evidence, financial documents, tuberculosis test certificate if applicable, sponsorship or scholarship documents if applicable." This helps the visa officer quickly review your application package. It also shows your submission is complete and organized. Request for consideration. Now politely request approval. Example, "I respectfully request favorable consideration of my application." This keeps your tone respectful and professional. Offer further contact. Next, make yourself available for further clarification. Example, "Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me." This shows openness and cooperation. It tells the visa officer you are prepared to provide additional evidence if necessary. End with, "Yours faithfully," then sign if submitting a printed copy. After that, write your full name. It keeps your letter professional and properly formatted. Before submitting your letter, carefully check everything. Make sure your CAS number is correct. All dates match your university documents. Financial details are accurate. All supporting documents are attached. Your letter is signed if printed. Remember, this letter is an important part of your student visa application. Any inconsistency between this letter and your official documents can affect the outcome. Always keep your information truthful, clear, and fully supported by evidence. A strong UK student visa application letter helps show that your study plans are genuine, financially supported, and fully compliant with UK immigration requirements. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you write your UK student visa application letter properly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may need it, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional writing guides and document templates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.